Hi everyone, this is Shizkura. This is probably the last video I'm going to make for this series. The thing is the app is already working, but we need it to be working in Android Marshmallow or Android 6 and above. So let's get started. We're going to be putting the code after the onCreate because it needs to be executed first before the actual app is all working. So we're going to be using if statement, if contacts contact that check self permission yes, that's it. Okay, this this comma manifest permission, and the permission gamer is not equal to I think it's package manager. That's correct. Permission. Okay. Oh, hold on a second. Okay. Activity. Okay, there's a problem here. Let's put it here and yeah. So from here we need to put all the permissions we needed in this line of code. Here's the example. Let's just copy paste this. Let's put comma. We need another permission for read external storage, another one for write. And also I'm not sure if this is gonna be if this will work. Manifest that permission. And another comma. It's still gonna be working here. There's a comma. So the thing is, I already have the code for this before because I'm always using it in every app that I am making. It has a longer line of code compared to this But in our case, we're just gonna be using this because it's just an ordinary app. And if you're wondering where you can get this code, I already uploaded it in my GitHub projects. The link is in the description. Just follow the guidelines. You can just copy and paste it just like I did here inside the OnCrate. You can just copy it and paste it there, and you're good to go. I haven't read that much on the Android developer on Google page the exact reason of using this code, but I think this is for our security. Just say for example we downloaded a text based game app or something. It is it is requesting permission to record an audio, so we the users have the freedom if we're allowing such things. But I think it's not a good thing because you don't know if the game app is recording an audio secretly or something to get something on you. All right, enough of that. I'm gonna be translate this code for you. It means if the permission to record an audio has not been granted yet, this means it's not yet been granted yet. So that means if the permission to record an audio has not been granted yet, we need to request another permissions uh, formally with several permissions in just one if statement. So I already explained to you that we should put all permissions here together. And if the user denied, for example, deny this line of code, if he or she deny to record an audio, that means it's probably obvious that it will not record an audio. If we click this record button, it will not working. And also this line of code, it will not work. It will not save to the storage. That's, I believe, great. So for the finisher, let at least design our little app something great. Oh no, I'm thinking to change it into an icon, but in our case we don't need and I mean we can't do anything on our little icon. We can't change the word record or either the play because it's in our code to function well. I'm thinking to change it into an icon, but we don't. Okay, so I'm gonna be promising to you that the next series of video I'm gonna be designing at least a bit much on my next application, and then time to test our little application. Okay. Okay, cool. It's already done and I already sent it to my phone. This is the name of my phone. I already set it inside the storage. Let's install it. Yes, as you can see, it is requesting us to allow Hello New World, our app, to record audio. Are we allowing it or denying it? Of course we're allowing it. And also Allow Hello New World to access photo, media, and files on your device. And that's the permission we need to read and write to the external storage. So we're gonna allow it. And it's already done. We can record, hey, and we can play it. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment, and click the ring bell button so you're gonna be notified if I upload another video or another series of video beside this. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna be seeing you next time.